If you think there hasn't been anything new in the solar post cap lighting industry, think again. Classy Caps Manufacturing is pleased to announce our latest innovation, the durably crafted Kingsbridge dual lighting solar post cap, exclusively from Classy Caps. The Kingsbridge dual light solar post cap has 6 strategically placed surface mount LEDs to cast magnificent warm light accents to highlight your fence, deck, landscape, and more. The patented Kingsbridge is a one-size-fits-all design that includes 4 base adapters to fit over a 4x4 nominal, actual 4x4, actual 5x5, and 6x6 nominal post. The Kingsbridge dual lighting solar post cap is manufactured from durable, powder-coated cast aluminum and, like all Classy Caps products, is built to stand up to the elements. Featuring a genuine decorative glass lens, monocrystalline solar panel, and 3.2 volt rechargeable battery, the Kingsbridge offers years of maintenance-free reliability. This truly one-of-a-kind, high-performance solar post cap comes complete with an auto-off switch. The included base adapters are made from premium ABS with UV inhibitors and a breeze to install. And the Kingsbridge comes already pre-assembled to fit the most common size 4x4 nominal post. So what are you waiting for? Order your Classy Caps Kingsbridge dual lighting solar post cap today.